Well, let's see here. What do we have here? This just came in the mail today. Okay, we have a bunch of catalogs from EK. EK stuff, always cool. And let's see here. Oh wow, we got a beanie. EK beanie. Thank you very much, Kat, for the beanie. We have a EK Supremacy Nickelplex block, CPU block. Sweet. Got Kat's card. There we go. Thank you, Kat.
Let's go. Let's go.
And we got another CPU block. We got a pump. And then we got a reservoir. Sweet. I shall be making another video about all these different parts separately. I want to say thanks again to Kat from EK. And, well, yeah. Again, another video soon. Here we go. And the beanie.